Now, I don't know what this wig has been through, but if CPS had the wig version, I would have been called. Because what were you doing? Why does it look like this? What's up, YouTube? My name is Ree, and today I'm going to show you how to totally revamp your closure wig. Even though I know it looks like it can't be done. Sadly, I see this treatment of wigs all the time. If you're buying high quality hair like the ones from my collection, all-in-one collection, I guarantee you it could bounce back every single time. But let me remind you, this is not an excuse for your wig to look like this ever. You're supposed to be maintaining and taking care of the wig while it's on your head. But I'll give you those tips later. Let's just focus on the revamp process that you can do at home if your wig does look like this. The first thing we're going to do is take off that closure. So go ahead and section all that hair from the closure out, put in a little bun or ponytail or a claw clip. Yes, we're doing this even before we wash the wig because there's no purpose of washing a part of the wig that we're throwing in the trash. Okay, now go ahead and cut off that closure. And now we're going to prep to wash your wig. Now this is the time that you get that good brush out. You're going to comb that wig to the best of your abilities. You don't have to spend hours, just try your best before you wash it and wet it and all that. When you're done, go ahead and completely saturate that wig. Now this is the important part. No, you're not going to be using silicone mix. No, you're not going to be using the high-end products. You just need these 4 things. You need a clarifying shampoo, you need a moisturizing shampoo, you need a moisturizing conditioner, and you need a leave-in or heat protectant spray, something like that. If you're looking at your wig and it looks dry, you're going to go in with that moisturizing shampoo, wash about 3 times, okay? And then add your conditioner, right? Now, if your wig is looking real oily and greasy, go ahead and use that clarifying shampoo. Wash it out maybe 2-3 times with that clarifying shampoo. Make sure you're looking at the water. Make sure it's all clear. It's not misty or dirty still when you rinse it all out. Wash it until all that goes away. Then you're going to go in with your moisturizing shampoo. Wash it maybe 1 time with that. Then you go ahead and use your conditioner after that. So as far as this wig, it was very oily at the roots. So I definitely had to go in with some clarifying shampoo, get that all out. And then I went in 1 time with my moisturizing shampoo, and then I used the conditioner. Now, you don't have to get these name brand types of shampoo and conditioner. As long as it says clarifying, moisturizing, you're good. This wig has so many tangles in it, in the back nape area. I use the comb when I'm shampooing and conditioning too, but I get most of the tangles out when I am conditioning the hair. Even if I don't get all the tangles out, I'm going to take that wig out of the shampoo bowl and I'm going to go through it section by section, as in track by track, and untangle it with the brush while the conditioner is still in it. And then I'm going to take it back to the bowl and comb through it 1 more time and rinse it all out. So you have to get all those tangles out. And while you're detangling that wig and taking all that time, think about how easy it could have been if you just combed your hair every day and then throw it in that bun or that ponytail. Yeah. See, at the end of the day, it's not worth it. Your wig should never get this bad. I'm telling you that right now. Number 1, you should be washing your hair extensions at least once every 2 weeks. Yes, that includes the lace too. You are not supposed to be piling on lace glue and hairspray on top of each other, layer by layer by layer. That's why the lace is balding that quickly. I don't care how long that install lasts. Like, you need to take it off once every 2 weeks and get a retouch. Get that wig washed. But when you're totally done with washing and conditioning the wig, go ahead and put it on the mannequin and comb 1 good time through it. Make sure there's no snaggles, no nothing. You could comb straight through that wig. After you're finished combing, go ahead and let it air dry, y'all. Take it outside, take it inside, underneath the dryer, whatever you got. Let it air dry. Do not blow dry your hair at all. Let it completely air dry. When it's completely dry, it should have that shine back to it. It should be moving. It shouldn't be all stiff no more. It should be really, really silky. Now you're going to take your new closure and you're going to place it on your wig head. Please remember, if you have a 5x5 closure wig, go ahead and get your replacement closure as a 5x5. Do not get a 4x4 or a 7x7. Get the size you had to begin with. Now go ahead and surround the closure with the rest of the wig and line it up to where it should be placed. I definitely recommend you get a whole bunch of these T-pins because they definitely come in use. Now that everything is tacked down, go ahead and thread your needle and go ahead and start from the back, working up from each side. I'm going to go ahead and zoom up so you can see how I'm sewing. Please take your time. Just make sure you go through that lace and the wig.
Now when you're done with this side, you go ahead and do the same on the other side. Start from the back and go around the other way.
I'm going to go ahead and skip the other side since you guys already got the idea. Okay, so you should be all the way done. You just go ahead and take that little braid out and spread it all over the rest of the wig. Now it's time for the styling part. I already bleached the knots and plucked how I wanted it to be done, so that would really be the next step for you guys. A video on how to bleach the knots and pluck will be coming soon, I promise, just not right now. We're going to go ahead and move on to styling. Okay, so it was requested that this wig is styled in a middle part with wand curls, so that's what we're doing today. All you really need is your wax stick and some hairspray and your hot comb and your wand curler, of course. So first you're going to take your wax stick and make sure the hair is laid down to set your middle part. And you're going to use your hot comb. You're going to press down with the back of that comb, and not the bristles, but the back of the comb. Now that your part is set, go ahead and put your oil on it. I do like to use this one. It's by Design Essentials. It's called Silk. I literally put one little pump on there. It's like a dime size. Put it from the ends all the way to the roots and you should be good. Or if you have like a heat protectant spray, that would be perfect too. Now, if you thugged it out till this point of the video, you're a real one. Now, this is my secret technique. Yes, I waited to the end of this video to show you guys because only the real one's gonna watch to the end. You're gonna take your hairspray and you're gonna spray it down at the section that you want to do your flip over. And when you go in with your hot comb, you're gonna press down hard. Use the back of that comb to get that flip over method. The edges, I like to go at an angle, kind of to the side, and then the front parts, I like to go at a kind of upward motion. And then I like to go back over it and press down. It just gives it that sleek look. Like, it looks so classic and effortless. Like, I love it every single time. All my customers and clients be like, oh my God, can you do the little hump? Can you do the little hump? So this is the hump. I'm teaching y'all how to do it. Y'all can do it at home now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rush through the other side because this video is getting kind of long. So let's get to it. Now that that's done, I would go ahead and spray the top again with some hairspray just so I know it doesn't move while I do the final styling of the wig. But I'm going to go ahead and do the wand curls. I'm pretty sure you guys don't need a tutorial on how to do wand curls, but yeah, we're going to rush through this a little bit. If you felt like you learned something from this video or it did help you in any type of way, or you just like watching hair videos, go ahead and like and subscribe for me. I do sell high quality hair. My hair company name is All in One Collection. You're welcome to buy from me. I have an online store, inventory, and I do have a beauty supply store in San Diego, which I sell hair out of too. I'm a vendor there. Their beauty supply store is Black owned, and I absolutely love their shop. They're super nice people. I'll put their address down in the description. I am planning on retiring from working behind the chair in 2026, so I am taking off this service of revamping wigs off my to-do list. That's why I made this video, so I could send to people that ask how to bring their wigs back to life. This is exactly how I do it. There's nothing more, nothing less. If you follow my instructions step by step, your results should become the same, I promise. Okay, so this is the end results. It's way better from the beginning results. That was crazy. Okay, so the hair, everything's back, the shine. It basically looks like a whole new wig, y'all. I'm only guaranteeing your wig will bounce back like this if you buy from All in One Collection or some high quality hair. If you get that Amazon cheap hair, I don't know, baby. I don't know. But make sure you guys like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye.